Wind farms are a renewable source of energy that use these huge structures, or turbines as they're called. Turbines have blades on the ends that rotate when wind comes in contact with them. Then inside the actual turbine, the blades spin a series of gears that spin much faster than the blade itself, and these gears produce kinetic energy, which is then converted into electrical energy inside the generator. And then underground there is a grid, and people can use this energy now harnessed from the wind. People can use this to turn on their lights, charge their phones, or whatever else they need to do with this energy that's being created. Onshore wind farms are the most common, and they offer easy accessibility for repairs and electricity because of their proximity to civilization. They are less expensive than the other two types of wind farms, have quicker installation, and have a low impact on surroundings. However, wind speed does vary more in onshore wind farms, and also there is wind block due to buildings being onshore as well. So those are just a couple of disadvantages. Nearshore wind farms are in the middle of the offshore and the onshore. They use both terrestrial winds and the sea winds to produce energy. So they have some aspects of easy accessibility, while also using the constant sea winds that the offshore wind farms like to use as well. Offshore wind farms can be built several miles from the coast. The wind in the oceans is more regular, and also the force is a lot greater than onshore winds. There is less visual impact, and also the offshore wind farms can use a lot bigger turbines, which can harness a lot more electricity. A downside to this, though, is that maintenance and repairs are very hard in offshore wind farms. Engineers have to take boats out to those turbines and repair them. There's also offshore wind farms also create less local jobs because they're offshore, and there's also a noise impact to marine wildlife that has to be taken into consideration. Wind farms are a huge step toward clean energy production, and because wind farms don't produce any harmful greenhouse gases, this is the whole point of renewable energy and trying to find new energy sources. So if you want your future world to look like this, instead of looking like this, then I suggest you looking at new renewable sources of energy like wind farms. Thanks for watching.